treating my headache before I start treating my patients using cupping set. Placing on my upper trap, upper trapezius. And my neck. And the other side. And the neck. Okay. Now I'm going to have them for about 15 or maybe 20 minutes. Depends how they work. And then we can see the cupping marks, the bruises. See you in 20 minutes. Okay. In 20 minutes, we can remove them. Pull in the valve. Here we are. Yeah, you might see some lotion I applied before putting the cups so they stay tightly. Now you can see cupping marks. They show how much congested and it's improved blood flow. Now my muscles feel full of blood and relaxed.